Welcome back, you guys. Now I have another video. Let's go straight into the video. This is what we are working with today. I already pre-parted and drafted out my box braids, so yeah, this is what we are gonna work with. Let me show you guys how I braid each box braid, and it's knotless actually. So yeah, so I was inspired to make this hairstyle because I love the old Fulani half up half down style that has been trending, and I just decided to make one for myself and show you guys I'm so sorry, and show you guys the procedure. As always, I try to make my videos as simple as I can. I've made knotless braid multiple times on my channel, so that's why I'm not like going over it again, but as easy as it looks like, that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to explain exactly what I did, because here, instead of like the traditional way of braiding knotless braids, I did this Ghana weaving kind of style, if you can see. So just braid it to the down, to the bottom where I want it to stop, because I want this hair to have pores at the ending, at the bottom. Yeah, so I'm just making some knots there to secure the hair tightly. Okay, now let me show you how I braid it, right? I loose up the braid, the box braid I drafted, like so. Then I section the braid section into 3 and start braiding as normal. But right now, instead of feeding the knotless braid feed in underneath, I put it on top. I feed it on top of the braid, so it's like I'm making Ghana weaving but knotless, just like so. I feed it on top of the braid, so it's kind of showing, but it gives it that beautiful Ghana weaving kind of vibe. And just continue braiding downwards like so and tie your knot, and that's it for the back for now. So simple. So this is looking so beautiful, so gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys how I did this on the other side. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. Let's get into it. So first, I'm going to be making just a straight back, a simple straight back. So it's very easy, and just like so, I'll try to create a neat part and then start off braiding. I'm not gonna be adding any extensions to the cornrows because I wanted to give off that natural hair vibe in front, and then at the back I can add the wine color extensions. So just keep cornrowing like so. And bells, when I get towards the end of each cornrow, then I start feeding in the feed-in braids. Then I start feeding in the hair extension, the braiding extension. Exactly how I did for the knotless braids. I just feed it in on top, not underneath, just on top. I want it to show like as though I'm making Ghana weaving. Yeah, pretty and pretty simple. So I feed in like 3 to 4 times, and then I turn over and start braiding how I do when I'm braiding comfortably. Yeah, I don't know if this is overhand or underhand braiding. I heard something like that. some people braid, there's a certain way they like put their hands and stuff. I don't know, but this is how I braid and I find it really comfortable. I just spit through that real quickly because it's just braiding downwards. So now let's make the crisscross. My popular crisscross braid. I love crisscross on anything. So I'm just gonna let you guys see how I go over that real quick. And at the bottom, just like the first one, you feed in braids as though you're doing Ghana weaving, and that's it. When you get to the bottom side of each of the braid, you just make a very tight knot according to the length of your braids. Right now I'm making another straight back. And now for our triangles. The triangles that are gonna make this hairstyle go from a regular half up, half down to a flip half up, half down, right? So I made 4 triangular braids there. I showed the pattern and it's so simple like that. Just braid it downward as we've been doing all along. So now I want to make these L-shaped, like reverse L-shaped kind of braids up front. I literally came up with this style off off my heart. Is it off heart or off hand? Or off your braid? I don't know which one we're offering, but I literally came up with this style, so I was going just like freestyling. I knew what I wanted it to look like. I just wanted a half up, half down, flip over kind of vibe. So I was just braiding as the spirit leads. Yeah. This is so pretty. It's all coming to life, man. My hair is all coming to life. If any of you guys want to see me rocking this wig, you can go check out my TikTok channel. Yeah, I'll put a link. Should I put a link, or I'll just put the name right here to my TikTok channel? Sorry, my TikTok page, not channel. I'm so used to YouTube page, oh my goodness. Oh goodness me, what am I doing today? TikTok page, YouTube channel. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna end the style up front with just 2 simple straight back braid on each side, the left and the right. So it's total of 4 braids at the middle point of that part of the hair. So it's really simple, it's really chic, and it's given. This is I don't know if I should call it a Yoruba accent. I can't pronounce like SHCH properly. Sometimes like if I try to pronounce words like that, like church, right now I'm thinking, so I pronounced it very well, church. But if I just do it like real quick, think fast is shush. I would literally say shush, or what did I just say right now? Okay, so maybe something like fetch. I would say fetch. So it's crazy, man. It's crazy. But I'm improving on that. I'm improving on that because I want my vocabulary to be top notch for you guys. Man, I'm just literally catching cruise and enjoying myself, enjoying my day. I hope you guys have been enjoying your day, really. Hope you have a great day and hope this video have been enjoyable for you. Pardon moi, I like talking and having fun while I'm doing a voiceover because I know everything I'm doing right here is pretty much repeated. Okay, there's a new part. Let me show you guys how I made this beautiful rope course. Pretty simple. So I just grab a bunch of braids, like, yeah, I think I picked it like 5 braids, and then I apply some hair grease. I align them to a point where the part where I tie the knots are all meeting each other at a point. So then I take any rope you have, a sewing thread, hair thread, whatever. This is a wool. So I make a very, not tight, just loose knot, and then I twist like so. The trick here is that you have to twist really softly and really loosely. No tight rope twist here. And when you get to the bottom, you just grab on the thread, whatever rope you're using to make your coils. Just grab on it like so and push the hair upward like so, slowly, just like so, and you get perfect coils. Perfect. And now just tie some knots at the end to secure your coils in place and cut. Simple. Yeah, you should trim. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, please trim all your braids before doing this procedure. I forgot to do that, but I did it later on, like so. Yeah, trim all your braids. Man, I had to improvise. I don't have, what's it called, the other kind of coiling stuff, so I did DIY rollers because I wanted a kind of French coil up front for the 4 triangular braids we made up front for the flips, you guys remember? So I wanted the core pattern to be different. This was what I went through. It was a hassle. It was a hassle, but thank God it came out looking stunning. So you can call me the DIY queen. And do you know how many DIY I've done in this channel? Oh my goodness. At this point, if you've been liking the video, go ahead and click on the like button if you want to see more, because I am going to improve and bring you guys more. So subscribe. Now is hot water set. That was really quick and simple. Just be careful, protect yourself, okay? And now, after allowing the hair to dry a little bit, you can see mine is not dry, it's really actually very wet, but I wanted to wear this hair to play some games later on with my sister, so I just took it out real quick. I just wanted it to hair dry real quick. So yeah, but if you're making yours, allow it to air dry properly before taking out the ropes so you don't damage your coils. So yeah, I was being really gentle here because I know the hair is still quite wet, but patience. You know, the P in my name stands for patience. There's no P in my name, meaning there's no patience in this name. Oh my goodness, just do it slowly and softly, please, so you don't just scatter your coils. It's looking, oh, look at my French coils. It came up pretty good. Who am I gonna tell that I made this with just hot water and a pole that is going to believe? Who is that person? It's looking actually gorgeous. Like, man, this came out more than I expected. This is beautiful. This is pretty. This is pretty. It's nice. It's nice. And this is nice too, so I go ahead and trim it because I wanted the cords to be on the same length. I want it to be on the same length. So yeah, all fingers are not equal, but all these cords must be equal. Yup, bounce it, and voila! Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Y'all don't mind the clothes in the background. It was rainy season and we had to put the clothes on the floor to dry because of the sun. Oh, this is looking so pretty. Oh my god, flip that. It's looking so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.